In this video, we'll be discussing Screening and Lifestyle Assessment Task 2 project. The following units on the screen will be covered during this assessment task. This assessment task requires you to take 2 fellow class members through a health and fitness screening process. To do this, you're required to take each client through the health and screening process in the logbook. So that process in the logbook has 3 phases or 3 parts. The first one is the Australian Pre-Exercise Screening Tool. So that's the Fitness Australia screening tool that you'll be familiar with. Part 2 is the Health and Fitness Testing Template, and Part 3 is the Healthy Eating Template. So if we look at the logbook, so here's an example. As you can see here, Part 1. Attach the completed Australian Pre-Exercise Screening Tool for the client. So that's where you fill in that template off the Fitness Australia website and attach it to this document. Part 2 is where you complete your fitness testing results. And over here, Part 3 is the Healthy Eating Template. A common question is, how much of the Fitness Australia tool do you need to attach for this task? So we want you to complete stage 1 and 2. So if we look at stage 1, that's a compulsory component. You'll probably find in a lot of cases your fellow student will have no's circled here. But we also want you to do stage 2. This just gives you practice for completing the risk stratification process. So stage 1 and 2, and then what we want you to do is attach those pages to your logbook. If you look at the requirements for this task, all you need to do is complete 2 screening processes in your logbook, as has already been explained. So you don't need to upload anything to EDU on Go. If you look at the rubric down here, it just says student has correctly completed the entire screening tool twice in their fitness logbook. That is all your trainer and assessor will be looking for. So no submissions are required. Your assessor will observe you completing the health and fitness screening process twice. However, this is covered in separate assessment tasks 3 and 4.